Hey guys, it's Side Hustle Tony here again, and in this video I'm going to give you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to use GetResponse. I'm going to show you how to create emails, landing pages, web forms, setting up automations, and a lot more cool stuff. This is going to be an in-depth tutorial packed with valuable information. So before we get started, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's dive right into the video. Alright, so the first thing to do is to create a free account on GetResponse, and I'll leave a link down below in this video that will give you a 30-day free trial with full access to all the GetResponse premium features, such as creating unlimited landing pages, creating automation workflows, and a lot more cool stuff. So go ahead now, click on the link and sign up for a free account, and let me show you the pricing real quick. So if you have a list of up to 1,000 contacts, you can subscribe to the $19 per month plan, which will give you access to all of these features here. But the only downside is that the automation workflows are not included in the basic plan. It's only included in the marketing automation plan. So if you really want to use automation workflows, then you have to subscribe to this plan. So once you come to this page, all you need to do is click on this button here to sign up for a free account, and that will take you to this page. And here you want to enter your full name, enter your email, create a password, and then click on create account. And then GetResponse will ask you to activate your account by clicking on the activation link sent to your email, and you will get an email that looks like this. And you just need to click on this button and your GetResponse account will be activated. And then it will take you to this page. Now here you want to enter your first name, last name, select your country, enter your full address, and make sure you enter it correctly, because this address will be at the bottom of every single email you send, and that's required by law. And then you want to enter your phone number and click on this button, and that will take you to the dashboard, which will look like this. Now if you click on tools here, you can see all of these different features that you can use, like contacts, email marketing, autoresponders, and all of these other features. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use 4 or 5 of these features, because that's what most people use, and most people don't need all of these other features. So for the first one, you want to click on contacts, and that will take you to this page. And you can see here your default list. But if you want to create a new list and give it a separate name, then you can click on this button here that says create list, and then you want to enter a name for the list. So for example, I'll write something like this: GetResponse _list _tutorial. And GetResponse doesn't allow you to use capital words or spaces, so you want to use underscores instead. So once you select a name for your list, you just need to click on create, and then the new list will be added here. Now you want to hover over these 3 dots here and click on settings, and that will take you to this list settings page. Now over here you can give your list a title, a description, select a category, select the language that you prefer, and people who are subscribed to your list will see all of these details here. So you want to enter as many details as possible. And you can see here that you can't disable your address because it's required by law, and to be added in every single email you send. You can also upload a logo by clicking on this link. You can enter your website here, and once you're done, click on Save General Settings. Now the next thing to do is to click on subscription, and here you can enable or disable this option here. And if it's enabled, then GetResponse will send you a notification to your email address whenever you get a new subscriber. So if you get 100 subscribers per day, GetResponse will send you 100 notifications to your email, which might be annoying. So you could enable or disable this option here. You can also enable this double opt-in option, which means that whenever someone enters their email address for your landing page, GetResponse will send them a confirmation email, and they have to open this email, click on the confirmation link, and then they'll be added to your list once they do that. So it's up to you to enable or disable this option, but for me, I always keep this off. And you don't need to worry about these other settings here. You also don't need to worry about this confirmation message here, because we already turned that option off. But this section is for those who enabled the double opt-in and want to customize their confirmation message. GetResponse also has a really cool feature which will allow you to import all of your subscribers into your GetResponse account if you already have a list of subscribers. And to import them, all you need to do is click on your list and then click Add Contacts, and that will take you to this page. Now you want to select the list that you want to add your contacts to, and if you already created an autoresponder, which I'm going to show you how to create one in a minute, you can select this option and select the autoresponder that you created. And then you have the option to add your subscribers manually or adding a CSV file, and then you want to select one of these options and make sure to check this box here and click on Next, and that will take you to this page. Now all you need to do is check this box here and click on Import, and GetResponse will import all your subscribers. Now let me show you how to create a sign-up form. So you want to click on Tools and then select Forms, and that will take you to this page. Now you just need to scroll down and click on Create Form, and that will take you to this page where GetResponse will show you all of these ready-made templates to choose from. So you can select any one of these templates and start customizing them. You can also select the template type here. You can also select the format like side column, wide, etc. So for example, I'm going to select this template here, and it will take you to this page where you can customize this template. Now over here, you can click on this logo and click on this button to upload your own logo. You can also change this text here. You can also highlight it and change the font as well. You can change the color to something like this. You can also make it bigger or smaller like this. So basically, you have many different options you can play around with. You can also click on this name box here and delete it if you only want their email. You can also add any one of these elements here, like their phone number, for example. You can drag and drop it here. You can also double click on this text button here and change it to something like Get Free Access. You can do the same thing. You can change the font, change the color, change the size, and so on. So once you design your opt-in form, before you click on Publish, you want to click on Settings, and this will pop up. Now here you want to give it a name, and here you want to select the list that your subscribers will be added to after their email address is on the form. And if you have an autoresponder, then you can check this option here, and you can choose the default thank you page or a custom thank you page. So if you want to send them to a YouTube video, for example, after they enter the email address on this form, then you just need to paste the video link here. And for this option, you can leave it as is, or you can send them to a different URL. You can also enable or disable this reCAPTCHA option. And once you're done, just click on Save and then click on Publish. And then GetResponse will give you this code here. Now you want to copy this code and add it to your landing page or your website. Now let me show you how to create a landing page. So you want to click on Tools and then click on Landing Pages and then click on Create a Landing Page, and GetResponse will take you to this page where you can select any one of these templates. And you can also select the type of landing page that you want to create. So you can select any of these templates, but in this video I will show you how to create a landing page from scratch. So you want to click on Show Templates and select any one of these templates here. For example, I'm going to select this one, and then this will pop up. Now you just need to give your landing page a name and click on Next Step, and that will take you to this page where you can customize your landing page. So over here you can click on this and upload your own logo, and you can resize it and make it bigger or smaller like this. You can also add an image by clicking on this and uploading your own images. And you can also resize it like this. You can also change this text to something like this: download our free guide now. You can change the font by clicking on this drop down menu and selecting any of these. You can also make it bigger or smaller like this. You can also change the color by clicking on this button and change it to something like this. You can also add a background color by clicking on this button and selecting color like this. So basically you have all of these options that you can use to create a good looking headline. And over here you can delete this name box here if you only need their email address. You can also change this button text to something like Get Free Access. You can also change the button color to something like this. You can also change the text color like this. You can change the font and you can make it bigger or smaller like this. So once your landing page is ready, all you need to do is click on save and then click on the next step, and that will take you to this landing page settings. Now you can give your landing page a description, and you can choose whether you want search engines to index your landing page or not. And here you can select a subdomain for your landing page, but if you want to use your own domain, then you can click on add a new domain and follow the instructions to add your own domain. Now here you want to select your list name, and your contacts will be added to this once you enter your email address on this landing page. You can also enable the double opt-in or not. Here you can add it to the autoresponder if you have one, and for this thank you page box you can select the default thank you page or a custom thank you page or stay on current page. Now if you want to send your subscribers to a YouTube video, for example, after they enter their email address on this landing page, then you want to select custom thank you page and enter your video link here in this box. And once you're done, click on publish, and GetResponse will take you to this page where you can find your landing page link. And if you open this landing page in a new window, it will look something like this. And whenever someone enters their email address on this page, they'll be redirected to your link that you entered earlier in the landing page settings. Now let me show you how to create a follow-up series using an autoresponder. So you want to click on Tools and click on Autoresponders, and then click on Create Autoresponder, and that will take you to this page. Now here you need to give it a title, and only you will see this. And then you want to select the list you want, and then for the very first email you want to leave this as it is, and it means that whenever someone enters their email address on your landing page, GetResponse will instantly send them this email that we're creating. And this is your email address that you'll be sending emails from. If you want to change it, you can click on add another email address to fill out these details here. And here you want to enter your email subject line. So I'm going to write something like email subject line 1, and then you want to click on design message, and that will take you to this page where you can select one of these ready-made templates. But I'm going to show you how to create an email from scratch, so you want to click on blank templates and select one of these templates here. So I'm going to select this one, for example, and that will take you to this page. Now you want to click on this element here and disable both of these two options because they are not important unless you want to add your own logo to the top of your email. Now you want to click on layout, and you want to drag and drop this text element here, and then you want to add your email to this element here. So for example, I'm going to add this one here. Hi, thanks for subscribing to our list. Here's your free guide. Cheers. And you can highlight this text here, click on this icon here, and add a link, any link that you want. You can also add an image to your email by dragging and dropping this element here. You can also add customizable buttons like this, and you can change the button text. You can change the color of the button and the text and so on. Basically, you can add any of these elements to make your email engaging. So once your email is ready, you just need to click on next, and that will take you to this page. And then you want to scroll down and click on save and publish. And your first email will be published to your autoresponder. Now, if I click on this button here, you can see here all of these days, and you can add as many emails as you want. And you can see here that our first email is on day 0 here, which means whenever someone enters their email address on our landing page, GetResponse will instantly send them this email here on day 0. And then it'll wait for 24 hours, and it'll automatically send them this email here on day 1. And it will wait for another 24 hours and send them this email here on day 2, and so on. So let me show you how to add an email on each one of these days here. So you want to click on day 1, and that will take you to this page. And again, you want to give it a name, and only you will see this name. You want to select your first list, and here it says on day 1, same time as sign up time, which means that GetResponse will automatically send your subscribers this email here that we are creating 24 hours after the previous email. So you want to leave it like that, and you want to add your email address as I just showed you. So here's an example of one of my autoresponders. I set up an email for each day, and whenever someone enters their email address on my landing page, GetResponse will send them this email here on day 0, It will wait for 24 hours and then send them this email here on day 1. It will wait for another 24 hours and send them this email here on day 2, and so on. And as I said, you can add as many emails as you want. Now, this is actually an old way to send automated emails and follow-ups with your subscribers, and it doesn't give you as many options to automate your email marketing. So let me show you how to create an automated workflow. So you want to click on Tools and click on Automation, and you want to click on Create Workflow. And GetResponse will take you to a page that looks like this, where you can select one of these ready-made templates. And they have all of these different types of templates you can see here on the left. So you want to select one of these workflows and start customizing them. But let me show you how to create a new one from scratch. So you want to click on Start Now, and then it will take you to this page where it's going to introduce you to automation workflows, and it'll guide you on how to use it. So you want to disable this interactive tutorial, and then you want to start all over from scratch. So now you want to give your workflow a name. So I'll name it something like Demo. And over here, if you want this flow to start as soon as the new subscriber is added to your list, then you want to select this option. If you want this workflow to start once someone clicks on a specific link, then you want to select this one. So you can select any of these triggers to start this workflow. So let's say that you want this flow to start whenever a new subscriber is added to our list. So you want to select this one, and you want to click on this box, click on this drop down menu, and you want to select Specific, and you want to select your list. And it means that this flow here will automatically start as soon as someone is added to the specific list. Now over here, you can add all of these different conditions, tags, and elements. So let's start by adding an email first. So you want to drag this send message element here and drop it here, and then you want to click on this and connect it to this element here. And this means that whenever a new subscriber is added to the specific list, GetResponse will automatically send them this email here that we're creating. So you want to click on this box here and click on Create a New Message, and that will take you to this page. Now you want to go ahead and add your email, as I just showed you a few minutes ago. Alright, so I just created my first email and I named it First Automation Message. So you want to select this message here. Now the next thing to do, you can add a delay and add a new message. For example, you can drag this wait element here and drop it here, and you can ask GetResponse to wait for, let's say, 12 hours, and then drag and drop another message element like this. And you want to connect these boxes to each other like this. Now for this message element here, you can click on Create New Message and add your new email. So as you can see here, whenever someone is subscribed to this specific list, GetResponse will instantly send them this email here, and it will wait for 12 hours, and it will automatically send them this email here. And you can also add another delay for another 12 hours if you want to send 2 emails per day. You can also add a specific tag to tag your subscribers that complete the specific flow. So you can drag and drop this tag element here, and you can give it a name. I will name it something like completed_first_workflow. You can also assign this tag to your subscribers once they complete this workflow. You can also remove this tag if they have already tagged. And don't forget to connect these boxes with each other. So basically, you can have so many different options to play around with. So once your workflow is done, you want to click on Save and Publish. And that's how easy it is to create a workflow with GetResponse. So that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, GetResponse has a lot of cool features that makes it easy for complete beginners to start their email marketing business. And it has all of these different tools that you can use. So I highly recommend you sign up for a free account and test it for yourself. Again, you can find a link below in this video for a 30-day free trial with full access to all GetResponse premium features. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you found value and get results that you're looking for. Leave a comment below. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.